Give me a minute, turn this on. Welcome to the 186th District Court. Court is in session. This is cause number 2019 CR 4521, State of Texas versus Anthony Ramirez. We're here today for a motion to enter an adjudication of guilt. We also have a supplemental motion as well. We're conducting this hearing via video conference using the Zoom application. We are also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep the hearing public. The time now is 10:57 a.m. on July 13th, 2021. These proceedings are official, they're on the record, and they're being recorded by the official court reporter. Counsel and all present are instructed to act as if you are in court, and all are instructed not to record the proceedings. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Lindsay Shaw for the state.
Melissa Lesniak for the defendant.
Sir, are you the same Anthony Michael Ramirez who was placed on deferred adjudication on October 16th, 2019 for possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And state, do we have an agreement?
We do, Your Honor. For the defendant's plea of true to the MTR, the state is in agreement that he be revoked from community supervision, adjudicated guilty, and sentenced to 150 days in the Bexar County Jail under Article 1244.
Ms. Lesniak, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
And Mr. Ramirez, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Ramirez, if I agree to do this, because I don't have to, but if I agree to do this, I ask that you waive your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Lesniak, do you agree to that as well?
Yes.
Sir, I'm going to use a function of Zoom. It's called share screen. I'm going to show you a document. Let's see. You should have on your screen the defendant's consent to appear by video conference. Do you see that document?
Yes, sir.
And I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
Signing this, you're telling me you understand. Normally we do hearings like this live and in open court, but that you're consenting to do this by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent and I make it a part of the record. And we're going to go into share screen to show you another document. It's the actual motion and the supplemental motion. I'll scroll through for you. Are you familiar with these two documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over these with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
You understand them?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do we waive reading of the motions?
Yes.
I'm going to get out of share screen. Mr. Ramirez, to the allegations listed on those motions that you violated conditions of community supervision, how do you plead? True or not true?
True, sir.
Do you understand? Just by pleading true, I can find that those violations are true and revoke your community supervision.
Yes, sir.
Do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, sir.
Find that the violations are true. I grant the state's motion. You hereby revoked, sir, and I found you guilty of the underlying offense. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement with the state, sir, you now have a state jail felony conviction, but under the provisions of Penal Code 12.44A, I will impose Class A misdemeanor punishment with 150 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. This is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a revocation of your community supervision where you have waived your right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. I'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. Is there anything else from either side in regards to the motion or to the sentencing?
Not from the state.
Nothing from the defense.
All right, good luck to you, Mr. Ramirez. This matter is now concluded. We are in recess and I'm turning